Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you how you can remove the items in the recommended section from Windows 11 Start menu. To get started, simply go to Windows Settings, click on Personalization, scroll down and click on Start. Now turn off these 4 options you see here. Close this window. Now click on File Explorer. Click on these 3 dots. Click on Options. From here, uncheck these 3 boxes and click on Clear and save the change. Now click on Windows Start menu. If you see apps like this, simply right click over it and select Remove from List. Now you may have to repeat this process until you remove all the apps you see here. So once you remove all the apps, you won't get any applications in recommended further. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.